Korean Cucumber Kimchi Oi-sobagi is a very popular type of kimchi during summer. It is spicy, tangy, crunchy, and super refreshing. If you like any type of kimchi at all, you gotta give Oi-sobagi a try. You will love it. First, we're gonna cut off both ends of the cucumbers. Slice them into a cross pattern lengthwise without cutting all the way through. Transfer the cucumbers to a mixing bowl. In a pot over high heat, place in the water. And Korean coarse sea salt. Pour the hot boiling water into the mixing bowl. Don't worry, the cucumbers won't be cooked. Instead, they will stay crunchy for a very long time. Rinse the cucumbers with room temperature cooked water. And drain. In a mixing bowl, we're gonna combine the chives, onion, carrot, garlic, Korean chili flakes, fish sauce, Korean salted shrimp. This will help to add a delicious umami taste to it, but if this isn't available in your local grocery stores, you could just opt it out. Korean plum extract. You could also replace this with sugar if you can't find it. Also, we're gonna add sugar, sesame seeds, and room temperature cooked water. Mix well. Gently open each cucumber and place the stuffing inside. Coat the outside as well. Place them in an airtight container. The cucumbers can be eaten right away, or you can also let them go through the fermentation process. To let them ferment faster, you can leave them out at room temperature for about a day, then continue to ferment and store inside the fridge for up to 4 weeks. During the fermentation process, a tangy flavor will develop. Enjoy! Super delicious, really crunchy as you can hear the sound. The best part, it goes with anything. You can eat it with rice or noodles, anything you like. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!